What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can avoid plagiarism in Grammarly. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in app.grammarly.com, or you can just simply type in Grammarly. After typing, you will be redirected to this website of Grammarly. Now from here, if you are new to Grammarly, you will have the option of sign in on the left side or at the top on the right side. To simply sign in with your email and password. And when you are signed or logged in, you will have the option of create a new document. So just click on it and then create a new document. As you can see, here are my recent documents. Let's say I am taking this document for this video. And when I am here on my document, on the right side at the top, you can see the option of check for AI, text and plagiarism. You can get a pro version of it, and after buying the pro version, you can just directly check for plagiarism and AI text. Now, Grammarly goes to hundreds of websites and checks your documents accordingly, and it gives you the report after it has checked the plagiarism check. But if you don't want the inbuilt Grammarly plagiarism, you can download an extension called Plagiarism Checker. As you can see, this is the extension Plagiarism Checker. You can download it from the Chrome Web Store by just simply type in plagiarism checker, and then you will find this extension with this P icon. And after that, you can just select the text and run this extension, so it will check your plagiarism, and it works kind of similar like Grammarly's plagiarism and AI text. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.